Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're taking a look at the Stihl RMA 248 cordless lawnmower. If you have a larger garden or allotment paths, this might be the perfect companion for your mowing needs. The Stihl RMA 248 is a powerful and easy-to-use lawnmower that stands out with its double battery configuration. This means you can keep on mowing for longer compared to other models. It's designed as a four-wheeled grass slicing machine with a sturdy steel cutting deck and a standard solid plastic grass box that can hold up to 55 L of grass. The mower has a user-friendly handle and a safety button arrangement at the top, making it easy to maneuver. It also folds down nicely for storage, which is a great feature for those with limited space. Security-wise, it comes with a bright red jumper key that needs to be in place for the mower to work, providing peace of mind while using it. The Stihl RMA 248's Eco mode is engaged automatically, slowing down the blades when cutting shorter grass to save power. As you move over longer grass, the blades speed up to increase cutting power. One of the highlights of this lawnmower is its double battery system, which takes two of Stihl's AK batteries. The recommended AK30 batteries provide excellent endurance, allowing the mower to cover up to 500 square meters. However, it's worth noting that Stihl only sells single battery chargers at the moment, so it might take a while to fully charge both batteries. Despite this, the Stihl RMA 248 performs exceptionally well. It can handle tall, unkempt grass and weeds with ease, and the cutting height can be adjusted in 7 steps between 25 to 75 millimeters. The cut is clean, leaving your lawn looking neat and well maintained. Overall, the Stihl RMA 248 cordless lawnmower is a great choice for those with larger lawns. It addresses the shortcomings of other rechargeable mowers, providing a reliable and efficient mowing experience. The only improvement we'd like to see is a dual battery charger to speed up the charging process. If you're interested in smaller options, check out our guide to the best cordless lawnmowers. That wraps up today's review. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Product Critique for more honest reviews of the latest products. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.